You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be a great. Remember this famous quote, guys. Now, if you are someone who wants to really quit your 9-to-5 job and build a real affiliate marketing business online, then this video is a big step forward. Because in this video, I'm going to discuss about how to create your automated email sequence. Now, this is the one that is going to be printing money even while you're asleep or you're vacationing with your family. Now, let's get your first emails ready to go. Hey, it's Manohar there, and welcome back to part 13 of how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Now, if you don't know how to do the technical setups in AWeber, like authenticating a domain or verifying your email address, then you can always watch out the video on the top right of your screen. In the last video, we have seen how to build the email list with AWeber. Now let's go and create the email automations, which is the follow-up emails sent to your subscribers automatically. Let's get straight to my AWeber dashboard. So this is the AWeber dashboard, and the social media is the email list, which we have created in the last video. Now, if you have not got your AWeber free account, then you can always check out the link in the description box below. Under this social media, you can see this automations, right? Click on this drop down and click on this campaigns. So here you can see this import campaigns or create campaigns. So if you are someone who already has a campaign running in some other autoresponders, you want to import it, then you can use this option. Now we are going to create a campaign from scratch. So what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this create campaign. So here you have different options like blank campaign, welcome series, blog automation, YouTube automation, lead magnet, blogger series, mini course, meeting reminder, meeting no show. So what we're going to do is that we are going to use this blank campaign built from scratch. So here, welcome to the campaign editor. Select a trigger to begin building your campaign. Now, what is the trigger that is going to be used in order to send emails? Now, this is going to be basically once an email lead signs up to your autoresponder. So that's going to be on subscription. So start a campaign when someone is added to your list. So click on this on subscribe. So here you can see start campaign on subscribe. So trigger campaign for new subscribers. Now what you need to do is just go and click on this send message, drag and drop over here. And here you can see this send message. Click on this create message, and you can just click on drag and drop editor. So you will reach this page. Now what you need to do is that you need to go and insert your subject line. So you can click on this, and here you can insert the subject line. I'm just going to enter it as hello, since this is a test one. So you can use this emojis and all those. You can just click on this drop down, and if you want to insert a bit of personalization, like you want to insert their first name, then you can always use this drop down, click on this, and you can insert their first name. Click on this first name, and if you want to add emojis, then click on this and you can add emojis from over here. So after that, you can click on this preview text. If you want to add any preview text, you can add it over here. I'm just going to leave it as black. Click on done, and after that you enter your body content over here. You can just remove all these, just go to the right and delete option. So just delete it. So once this shows it, just delete it. So just double click over here and you will have this hi, and you can insert personalization over here. So you can just go over here. You can click on this drop down and click on this subscriber info and first name. So you can enter a bit of personalization, and this is a test message and cheers Mano. So you can also insert the links. Now how to insert your affiliate link? Just double click on this. You can just bold it, underline it, and then here there is a hyperlink. Click on that and insert your affiliate link. For this example, I am just going to enter it as google.com. So once you enter, you can see this green check appears, which means that is a valid link and not a broken link. After that, you can click on the save button. So after that, click on this save and exit. So your first email for your automation is ready. So now you need to add your second email. So just go over here and you can see this wait option. Just drag and drop it over here, and you can see this wait option 1 day before performing the next action. Now you can change the wait option. Like you can set the interval, like how many days or minutes or hours or weeks or months. So normally it is going to be days, and I personally prefer like 24 hours gap between each automations. So you can just make it as 1 day, and after that go and click on the send message, drag and drop it again over here, and enter your second email. So the same process, enter your subject line, hi. After that, go and remove all these. So once you double click over here, you can enter your second message. Hi, here is your bonus as promised. Cheers, Mano. Highlight this bonus and bold, underline it. And inside this hyperlink, you can enter the bonus link. So if you're having your bonus in a Google Doc, then you can insert your Google Doc hyperlink over here and then click on the save button. So after that, you can go and click on the save exit. So here you can see the second email in your automation sequence is already ready. Now, similarly, repeat this process until you want or like a 7-day sequence or a 14-day sequence or a 30-day sequence or a 90-day sequence. So this is how you create your email automation sequence. So after that, you can just go and click on this publish button. So I'm just going to click on this publish button. So you can see your campaign is on. So you can just click on this exit option. So you can see your untitled campaign, this status is on. Now, if you want to turn it off, you can just click on this 3 dots. Just click on this turn off and it's turned off. Now, if you want to preview it, you can just click on this preview and you can see how many emails are there in this automation and the wait time. If you want to edit it, you can click on this edit option. So if you want to edit it, you can just click on this and you can just click on this email once and it will open the email and you can edit from here. And once doing, you can just click on the save and exit. So this is how you create your email automation. So I'm going to turn off. So since I'm not going to use this email sequences. Now, if you really like this content, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any part of this entire tutorial series where it is going to help you quit your 9-to-5 job and build a real affiliate marketing business online. Now, you might have a question like, which one is more important, whether it's email automation or email broadcast? Email automation is very good in order to introduce yourself and warm up the leads. They get familiar to your sender name and also they get familiar to your email address. And this builds the trust for the long term. And if you really want to make sales out of these email subscribers, then email broadcast is the one that is going to help. Email broadcast, it helps you in testing your subject lines, in testing your body content, and also in testing your sender times. So you can test between all these 3 different components and see which one works best with your subscribers. And from there, you can use those email subject lines or body content again and again to get sales of your subscribers. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your first email broadcast campaign, and stay tuned because this is where the real selling happens.